I welcome you all to the next session of marketing and salesmanship. In this session, we will be dealing with the basic elements for salesmanship. मतलब कि अगर आपको एक salesmanship की quality perceive करना है तो उसमें आपको basic elements क्या चाहिए, that we will be studying into this session. Clear to it? In previous session, we completed about what is the meaning, what are the features, what are the utilities, what is the modern concept versus old concept of salesmanship. But in this concept we will be dealing with the elements, the key skills which is required for a salesmanship. Basically, salesmanship is nothing but an ability to perceive or to convince the customer to buy the product at the cost plus profit, that is benefit to the company and satisfaction to the customers. Clear to it? Salesmanship is not only this but also guiding what to buy is also included into salesmanship. Salesmanship is the art of winning the hearts of the consumers to dispose the firm's product and service. It is the act of persuasion. It is the science of understanding of human intents and paying the way to their fulfillment. It is the art of stressing the appropriate value of firm's product and service to fit the individual and varying needs of different buyers called on. It is the ability of a person to perceive the people to buy the goods and services for mutual gain, namely satisfaction to the buyers and profit to the seller. It is the art and science of serving the clientele. Following are some of the standard definitions on salesmanship. Professor Stephen deems it as salesmanship refers to the conscious efforts on the part of the seller to induce a prospective buyer to purchase something that he had not really decided to buy, even if had thought of it favorably. It consists of pursuing people to buy what you have to sell, in making them want, in helping to make up with their minds. Clear to it? Okay. Then elements of salesmanship. The essentials of salesmanship are as follows. First one है mutual benefit. The price of the product or service must be reasonable for both the buyers and the seller. As a matter of fact, salesmanship should benefit both the buyer and the seller. It is not the art of making a profit at the cost of the buyer. Salesmanship helps the buyer in obtaining the maximum returns, satisfaction for the money he spends, and at the same time it provides a reasonable profit to the seller. This is possible when price charged is higher than the cost and buyer gets qualitative goods at reasonable price. Salesmanship is a pursuance. Salesmanship involves the ability to influence or persuade people. It is an art of pursuance, not pressure, which is highly essential. In fact, pursuance is the soul of modern salesmanship. Modern salesmanship does not rely on pressure, tax, or on compulsion to force a sale. Next, a creation of permanent consumers. Modern salesmanship does not self-duplicate fake product to consumers, cheating the consumers by inferior plots or unsold goods have not placed in modern sales because it can never create a permanent consumer. Rather, goods salesmanship guide the consumer in buying something which will give them utmost satisfaction. Clear? And educative process. Salesmanship is an educative process. It educates people about their need. Very often people are not aware of their needs or they may in which they could satisfy them. Salesmanship performs the functions of educating the consumers about their needs and their satisfaction. It also provides information about the product available, their special features, their utility in satisfying the needs of the consumers. Next one is winning of buyers' confidence. Modern salesmanship does not use doubtful methods of influencing buyers. Misrepresentation, cheating, dishonest to place in modern salesmanship. There is no attempt to make undue advantage of the ignorance and innocence of buyers. On the contrary, modern salesmanship aim at winning the confidence of buyer by providing a suitable solution to the buyer's problem. Link between the buyer and the seller. Salesmanship always act as a link between two parties, the sellers and the buyer. Look after the benefit of both the parties. It makes sure that the seller gets benefit, that is profit, as a result of the sales, and the consumer must also drive the benefit by producing the product. A creative process. Salesmanship is responsible for creation of demand, though a problem solving approach. It starts with consumer knowledge. It studies customer needs and problems and then suggests a suitable solution to this. It demonstrates how the product or service can satisfy the need or solve the problem. Such an appropriate needs a lot of creativity, initiativeness, and empathy. Next one is aiming to serve procedure, distributor, and consumer. Producer, distributor, and consumer. The salesman helps the producer in disposing of his product at a profit. He creates demand for new products at a profit. He creates demand for new product while for the distribution process smooth, easy, and meaningful. For consumer, the salesman help them to buy wisely. Discourage unnecessary arguments. When prices are fixed, there is no scope for bargaining or unnecessary arguments. But consumer argues when prices are not fixed. Therefore, it is the process of salesmanship and care. But consumer agrees when prices are not fixed. Therefore, in the process of salesmanship, care should be taken to avoid unnecessary bargaining with the consumers because it leads to dissatisfaction. The aim of salesmanship should not always be to build upon an empire of will, goodwill, but not to impair it by dissatisfying consumers. Next one is consumers are always right. Salesmanship should always give utmost importance to the viewpoint of the consumer and consider him as always right. A salesmanship should always look a purchase from buyer angle. Whatever a consumer tells about the merits and the demerits of the goods, the salesman should give the regard to it. This is so because he pays the price, uses the article, and take the decision. He is in a better position than the salesman. His knowledge regarding the product is practical. However, salesman should not accept any arbitrary statement blindly without protest. Clear to it? Okay, these are the basic elements what a salesmanship should have to become. If a person wants to become a good a salesperson, he need to have certain elements of this, like salesmanship is a pursuance. He need to be a pursuer. He need to be a creator. Then he need to have an educated, winning the confidence of the customer, link between the buyer and the seller, then a creative process, then aiming to serve the producer, distributor, and consumer, discouraging unnecessary arguments, then consumers are always right. ऐसा सब कुछ जब हम सोच कर चलेंगे तभी ये बेसिक एलिमेंट्स एंड किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का हाई लेवल पर प्रॉफिट होगा. क्लियर टू इट. और जो हम बोलते हैं सेल्समैनशिप इज़ एन आर्ट, साइंस एंड प्रोफेशन, वो एक सक्सेसफुल एंड ट्रूथफुल फैक्ट कहलाएगा. क्लियर टू इट. ओके, thank you all. Thank you. If you have any doubts and queries, please pin me on the email ID provided to you by the college. Be at home, be safe.